What else could possibly be causing climate change?
Maybe it's the humans.
The humans?
Yeah. No.
Climate for Children. Fon University. Republic of Macedonia. Climate change is potentially one of the most critical issues facing the world, one that will affect all parts of the planet and all future generations. It is crucial that all of us begin to understand the probable causes, likely effects, and how our everyday choices have global consequences. The aim of our project is to make a prototype of multimedia interactive presentations and games which will be used on interactive boards in classroom. These presentations use different sets of open data, making the learning process easier and more interesting. Combining the open data with the new technologies like interactive boards, teachers can really improve the students' experience. This technology does seem to have that kind of positive effect on the energy of the classroom. Presenting this content on interactive boards will definitely make the learning process more attractive and fun. Interactive boards provide rich learning environment that integrates with traditional classroom layouts and collective activities. They boost creativity, encourage collaboration between students and teachers, and allow moving away from teacher-centric to a more personalized constructive learning. We've made a series of interactive multimedia presentations using different sets of data from the World Bank and the United Nations. We had tested our presentations on pilot schools in our country and we encountered a positive response from them. The students were really excited about the presentations, and in the surveys we've made about them we saw that they really liked this new way of learning and they gave us a full support. They were encouraged to give ideas that will help them to better understand the world problems, and we are planning to use these ideas for the following presentations. In these presentations are included different sets of climate data from the World Bank and from the Human Development Reports. Now, we can see the students playing a game where the data from the United Nations are included. The students need to put the countries in the appropriate box according to the development of the countries. Here we use the embedded codes from the World Bank Open Data for Improved Water Source to show how the countries around the world are dealing with this problem. The students understood that the water resources management is really important aspect of the climate change awareness process. It aims at optimizing the available natural water flows, including surface water and groundwater, to satisfy these competing needs. It's proven that the climate change will increase the complexity of managing with water resources. In the next assignment, students need to write on the board 5 countries in each category showing how well they understood the data that they saw in the previous section. Here we can see how students learn about the effects of climate change in certain regions in the world. With click on specific region, information about that region is displayed on the board. This way, the students interact with the colorful information displayed on the board, categorized for different countries in different years. In these presentations are included different sets of climate data from the World Bank and from the Human Development Reports. The structure of the presentation is simple and unique so the students would not have difficulties with this educational material. Involving the children in the climate change awareness process and teaching them about the consequences for their actions would have a great impact of the world's future. These assignments and games stimulate children to take careful actions in order to save their environment. As the part of an UNESCO project, our university was involved in making a portal for free sharing of materials that will improve the learning process of the elementary and high school students in our country. This system was really popular among the students and the teachers in our country because it represents a place where all the students, no matter where they live and study, may be included and have an access to different kind of materials like quizzes, videos, assignments, lectures, presentations, etc. Because of that, we put our interactive presentations on this portal. In this project our goal was to raise awareness of the children from the early ages about nowadays world situation according to the climate problems defined in MDG. We've made a serial of interactive multimedia presentations and games using different datasets. Our final goal is to encourage the teachers to use the latest technology and the open data in the educational system in order to stimulate the children and raise awareness.